Now this illustration 21-64 uh, goes through the procedure of equipment that could be used in the zones. And then notice at the very top of the equipment illustrated there, we have review standards that are very helpful. For example, if you're in refineries and you're using the zones, get the API 500 and the API 505. For drilling rigs, get the API 500 and the API 505. For pipelines, get the API 500 and the API 505. For divisions, get 500.8A, and then for the zones, get 505.9 B1 through B2. Now notice listed zero equipment, zone 0, shall be permitted to be used in zone 1 and zone 2 if of the same gas group, and naturally meets the requirements of 505.9B1. Dropping down now to the next call out there, listed zone 1 equipment shall be permitted to be used in zone 2 if it is of the same gas group, again in accordance with 505.9B1. Now that's exactly what this illustration is illustrating, the listing of equipment and where this equipment could be used in a particular zone. And that's what this figure 21-64 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.